Well, get on a package, or let's check it out. Oh, doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from a Vickers guide. This is actually Heckler Koch Volume 4. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see if we can get this open. Okay, let's bring this back into view. So you can see I've opened it. There'll be overlapping flaps. And then they have these cardboard inserts to keep it in place. And then we have the book itself. I'm going to get this out of the way quickly. This is actually a large, heavy book. Again, this is Volume 4, as you can see here on the cover. And you can see here looks like an M4 version from Heckler & Koch. A quick look at the binding before I try to unwrap this. Vickers, Rupley, and Williamson. And we can see here some other varieties of HK product offerings. Let's go ahead and see if I can get the shrink wrap off of here. Okay, so here we have the dust cover. This is from 2025, Mott Lake Publishing. You can see here other titles in the Vickers Guide series, quite a few of them. Nothing on this portion of the flap. Let's go ahead and get this off of here and continue quickly with the back flap. And quick look at the cover itself. You can see here metallic embossing there, as well as some familiar proof marks from HK. Looks like we have a little flaw here in the binding. Interesting. Might have been some damage in shipping. I'm not sure. This has traveled quite a bit. And then this cool logo on the back, also metallically embossed. Book does come with its kind of a cloth bookmark there. I'm not going to try to spoil too much because this is actually a recent offering and I don't want to give away too much here. There are going to be prolific photographs, text, all sorts of information pertaining to HK products, but I thought it was particularly interesting because at this point these are using some design features that were actually common to, say, other auto-loading platforms like the AR or the M4, or even larger ones like AR-10s and other evolution of designs that were used by other countries, but use similar principles, but slightly different mechanical aspects. So I thought it was just kind of interesting. But taking a very quick look, doing an unboxing here for something from Vickers Guide. This is just one of many titles that they offer. This is Heckler & Koch Volume 4. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We used to do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We used to do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.